everybody, welcome to the newest episode of HF Raids. मैं हूँ जसवीन कौर और देखो आज हम किसे ले आए हैं पलक मुछाल. I'm so excited to be in your wardrobe, and just by the way, I did not know that she's such a fashionista. You are.
Yes,
Kind of. While we're interviewing a singer, a musician, how can we not talk about concert fashion? Because that's the first thing that we see here. And I want Palak for you to start with this section.
So my concert clothes are designed by my mom. She designs every piece for every concert very distinctively, and she puts in all these unique elements, as you can see, because stage full bling and unique style. It really works.
Yes.
And she really understands my body type and my values. So I am a little particular about dressing. So my fans would know Palkins is what they call themselves. So this is a piece which I have worn twice in my concerts.
Okay.
So one without this part, and then my mom added this to make it look different.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I wore it again because I believe that sustainable fashion is what we all should focus on
Yes.
right now. Now I'll show you a special outfit.
Another
This-
pretty bling.
Yeah, but this is, I picked it up from a store in London. I end up wearing it for every award function.
That's your lucky dress.
It is my lucky dress, and then I got all those awards.
Oh,
actually.
superb.
So I feel that I'm truly blessed to have so many special songs
Yes.
in my filmography.
Truly.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है when Ashiki 2 happened, I thought कि इससे ज़्यादा बड़ा कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Yes.
Then came another milestone. Then came another
Yes.
milestone, and now Sanam Teri Kasam has
I
just
know.
brought this whole revival and.
And can you sing something for us while you pick out the next one?
what do you
One of your favorites.
बेतहाशा दिल ने तुझको ही चाहा है, हर दुआ में मैंने तुझको ही मांगा है, तेरा जाना जैसे कोई बद्दुआ, दूर जाओगे जो तुम मर जाएंगे हम, सनम तेरी कसम, ओ सनम तेरी कसम, ओ सनम तेरी कसम.
Oh my god, I cry. Yay! This was like a little concert for us. So cute.
Thank you.
Your voice is so good.
I usually not wear these kind of clothes for my concerts, but when I attend
Okay.
press conferences
Hmm.
or events or even music launch events, so
Yeah.
I like wearing these kind of jackets.
Do you have any of your favorite international or Indian musician whose concert fashion you are obsessed with?
Taylor Swift. I love what she wears.
Goddess.
Yeah, I really like her styling, and it's personal, I guess.
Yes, yes.
It's actually the representation of her personality, and that's what I feel fashion is for me.
Definitely, definitely. And if I would ask you that, which one is that one dress that defines Palak?
This one again is designed by my mom,
Wow.
and as you can see, there is a plain patch,
Yes.
and then there is this glamorous patch on it. So it's like 50-50. It's mix of my personality
Yes.
on stage and off stage.
Yes.
So this would define me. It's like a jumper, and I wore it at IFA last year when I performed.
This is another special one.
Yes.
And have you ever performed with Mithun ji?
Yes, I have.
And do we have an outfit which you wore for that? Where was this? When was this?
At a performance in
Okay.
Abu Dhabi.
And what all songs did you sing?
I sang Meri Aashiki. So I have performed with him when we were not husband and wife.
Right.
But उसकी शादी के बाद हमने साथ में perform नहीं किया है.
Hoping for that soon.
Yeah.
Great.
Then I have this jacket by Gucci, given to me by my brother.
Okay.
It also holds sentimental
Value. Yes.
apart from the financial value.
So while you're traveling also probably in Bombay or when you're traveling for concerts, do you have favorite spots? Do you go out shopping to the local markets?
So when I'm traveling for concerts, I have this rule of not going out on the day of the concert at all. So when I travel for concerts, it's almost like reaching the airport, going for the sound check, doing the concert and coming back. It's
Oh.
as tight as that. But me and my husband, we really like to travel. So whenever we travel, he loves shopping for me. So he spends like hours at stores picking up stuff for me, and he really takes interest in choosing the matching earrings and the matching necklaces.
Oh my
and,
god.
you know, there are partners who are supportive and he would
Yes.
be there with you. Ki, Acha, theek hai, 2 ghante shopping kari, so I'll just do my work and you do it. But he's actually there. Even while I'm doing makeup shopping, he would just choose the shades for me and ask them to put another one and then select. So he's really sweet.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. This is so cool. Great. Talking that your husband likes to pick out something for
Yeah,
you.
he does.
So, do we have something here?
Lots actually, but I'd like to show you this one. So we were in Paris. We were in some market where जो वहाँ के local designers हैं उनका display था. So there were these boutiques like small,
Yeah.
and you know how aesthetically designed Paris is. So there was this piece. He really liked it and he really wanted to pick it up for me, and then I style it my way.
And if I have to ask you, how do you style it?
I usually wear it with jeans and
Mhm.
and a top
Like a
inside.
tank top, yeah.
You can also wear it on a gown, like a plain gown,
Yes.
and then layer it up with this.
We like his choice, clearly. I remember you talked about you auctioning your gowns.
Yes.
So, can we see some of them?
So I'll show you this one. This
Yes.
is the gown which I wore recently for my Sanam Teri Kasam video shoot,
Okay.
designed by my mom. So yeah, you can see the detailing of it. You can also see the outfit in the video.
I need your tailor's number. Because even my mom's like a designer, but this is like very hard.
Yeah,
To
it is.
create, yes.
Yes.
The other two gowns are also the same.
So I've performed at the Royal Albert Hall thrice. So this one I wore at a concert where again I was giving tribute to my idol Lata ji, and I was called by A.R. Rahman ji, the International Women's Day in Dubai.
Which year was this?
2022. But this is my style, like you were saying that if an outfit has to describe you.
Yes.
So I think these fairy kind of gowns
Yes.
is actually my style.
Very dream like Disney princess.
It also goes with my hair.
Yes, definitely. Doll like. Can you
Uh,
help us with what are these gullies and spots in Bombay that you?
That
One
you'd have
thing.
to ask my mom, but
Yeah.
there is this place in Worli where traders who actually sell the Catholic wedding gowns, and
Okay.
it's like a whole patch where they have like different shops, and they are amazing.
Wow.
So you should definitely go there.
Guys, comment down below if you know about this location,
Mhm.
and we definitely want to check that out.
Here I have most of my casual outfits. So the dresses that I wear during my recordings.
Yes.
So this is quite iconic. Wore when I was recording Kontaje. So when I'm recording, it's a different kind of mindset. I like to keep my outfit in a certain way because it's very important for me to be in a certain zone mentally. I really like getting into the skin of the character,
Yeah.
which I'm singing for, almost like an
Yes.
actor, what actors do. I feel that as singers, we are giving voice and emotion
Yes.
to a character. So it's very important for me to, not have any individual energy or any baggage when I
Yes.
enter a studio. So my dressing, my accessories, everything is pre-planned, even the makeup. So yeah, that is very important for me.
Yeah.
So every song that you've heard of me, I've sung that being somebody else, some character, except for Kaun Tujhe.
Yes.
When I was singing Kaun Tujhe, I was literally singing that being myself.
Yeah.
It was my personal emotion. Now I dedicate that to my husband.
My God. Can we have you sing it for us? It's so popular.
तो आता है सीने में जब जब सांसें भरती हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ हवा के जैसे चलता है तू मेरे तो जैसे उड़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ
So lovely. This is, oh my God, I heard this live. So cool. And I can see this is also like your jewelry section.
Okay, so I really like keeping everything organized, especially
Yeah.
because I keep traveling a lot and we hardly have any time. Sometimes we have like consecutive dates per shows, and that way, if you keep everything organized, it becomes very easy.
Yes.
I feel that accessories can bring a new dimension to an outfit. It can just lift up the whole look,
Yes.
something unique and exciting.
This is so unique. Yeah. Where do you pick your jewelry from? Any favorite spots?
Anywhere actually. I've picked up jewelries literally from roadside
Yes.
to all these fancy boutiques and stores.
Do you hit the Bandra market or Lokhandwala?
Lokhandwala, I
Yes.
love Lokhandwala.
All of us.
Like some of these pieces are also for my concerts, like this got a little bit of zing.
Yeah.
And then I have elements of palak, like symbol ka bag, earrings, or even necklaces. So this got eyelashes around here, which is actually the meaning of my name.
See, you like personalizing things as well.
Yes.
Now I'm very excited to check out your bag collection. Open the bag closet. I think you have a bag in every shape. Literally. Let's
So-
pick out something.
So like I said, I really like picking up things on the basis of the uniqueness.
Yeah.
Then there's a cat shape
You have a
bag. I was actually very scared of cats, but now I've become fond of them. So Palash had given this to me, my brother,
Okay.
because I was scared. So he had given it to tease me.
Okay.
Then there's this unique piece. It's again by an Indian designer.
This design is like very popular. Oh wow, this
Isn't
is so
this?
unique. So you can style this with a sari or like an anarkali probably.
Yes. You can even wear it with a western outfit,
Yeah.
I guess, and give it a little bit of tweak.
I really want to pick out the Apple bag.
There's an apple bag. There's a lipstick bag.
Where did you get these from? मेरे को तो ये कहीं नहीं दिखते हैं.
This one is
so
by Aldo. Aldo actually has a lot of shape bags.
Yes.
Especially the one at Dubai Mall has a lot of unique
Yes.
bags. So this one is gifted to me by one of my dearest friends, Yulia. It's actually handcrafted. It's by a brand called Broon, and they have all these handcrafted bags. They also support an initiative for women who are underprivileged.
A special one.
Yes.
And Palak, do you also have this habit of like buying a pair of shoes and matching it with your bag?
All the time. I
All the
think
time.
that's the fashion mantra.
Yes, yes.
For
a lot
most of the
do that.
people, and I actually have picked up stuff on the basis of the shoes that I had.
Can we see that?
If you see this bag, so even if you're wearing a black plain outfit like I'm wearing right now, take this bag and I can pair it up with these
boots.
ones,
Yeah.
and it just becomes like a
Like an outfit. You know the show is called HF Raids, and we cannot let you go without giving us something from your lovely wardrobe.
So I'd like to give a very special piece, a piece of my heart. So it's a piece of jewelry.
Oh, wow, these are ear cuffs.
Yeah.
So whoever is Palak's fans, and I'm very sure they're going to love whoever is going to get this. Thank you so much, Palak. Yay! Till then, bye guys.